Assalamu alaikum students. These are the questions related to our second lecture. First question is, how will you change the table styles? Answer: to change the table style, follow the given steps. Click in the table, click the design tab, click more button in the table styles group. A gallery appears. Choose and click any style you want to apply to your table. Next question is, how will you apply border to your table? Answer: click the table, click the design tab, click borders from the table styles group. A drop down list appears. Next step is click border and shading. A dialog box appears. Choose style, color, width of the border. Next question is, define watermark. Answer: a watermark is a text or picture that appears in a faded manner behind the text of a document. Uses: watermarks are sometimes used in the form of logo placed in a document. Next question is, how do you add a watermark in your document? To add a watermark or picture in your document, follow the given steps. First step is, open the file document in which you want to add a watermark. Click the page layout tab on the ribbon. Third step is, click watermark from page background group. Next step is, click custom watermark. The print watermark dialog box opens. Click picture watermark like this to add a picture behind the text. Click on the select picture like this button. The insert picture dialog box appears. Select the picture and click insert button. And the last step is, click on apply button and then on close button in printed watermark dialog box. The selected picture appears as a watermark in the document. See the effect in your document. Last and next question is, write the steps to print a document. Answer: click the file tab. Next, select print option from the menu that appears. Choose the page to print the page range box by selecting one of the following options available. Print all pages. This prints all pages of the document. Print selection. Only print the selected content in the document. Print current page. This prints only the page where the cursor is positioned. Grade 7th. This is the exercise of chapter number 2. Students will highlight these key terms and learn them. First one is table, cell, column, row, thumbnails. Second is useful shortcuts. First one is tab, shift plus tab, alt plus home, alt plus end. Students, this is the exercise of your second chapter. Students will solve this exercise by yourself, otherwise tally this exercise with your solved exercise. Question number A. Choose the correct option and write in the space provided. Question number B. Fill in the blanks. Question number C. Tick the correct and cross the wrong ones. Question number D. Answer the following questions. These are the questions and answer of these questions are exercise questions, chapter number 2. Question number 1. What is a cell? It is a rectangular area formed by intersection of a row and a column. Question number 2. Define watermark. Answer: A watermark is a text or picture that appears in a faded manner behind the text of a document. It is used in the form of logo placed in a document. Question number 3. Which key is used to move to the next cell? Answer. Tab key is used to move to the next cell. Question number 4. How will you change the table styles? Answer. To change the table styles, follow the given steps. Step 1 is click in the table, click the design tab, click more button in the table styles group. A gallery appears. Choose and click any style which you want to apply in your table. Question number 5. Write the steps to merge cells of your table. Answer. Follow the given steps. Select the cell you want to merge. Next step is click the layout tab, and third step is click the merge cell from merge group. The cells get merged. Question number 6. How will you change the height of a row? Answer. To change the height of a row, follow the given step. First step is select the row from the table whose height you wish to change. Second step is click on the layout tab. Click on properties from table group. The table properties dialog box appears. Click on the specify height. And the last step is click on OK button. The row height gets changed. Question number 7. Write the steps to insert a column in your table. Answer. To insert a column in your table, follow the given steps. First step is place the cursor in the table where you want to insert a column. Click the layout tab, and the last step is click insert left or insert right from the rows and columns group. A new and empty column is inserted. Question number 8. How will you apply borders to your table? Answer. First step is click the table. Second, click the design tab. Click borders from table styles group. Fourth step is click borders and shading. A dialog box appears. Choose style, color and width of the border. Question number 9. Write the step to print a document. First step is click the file tab. Next, select print option from the menu bar. Second point is select the page range. Print all pages, print selected pages, print current page. Question number 10. How do you add a watermark in your document? Answer. First step is open the document in which you want to add a watermark. Click page layout tab on the ribbon. Click watermark from page background group. Click custom watermark. Click picture watermark to add a picture. Click on the select picture. The insert picture dialog box appears.